Okay.
Okay, add twice of the drinking water.
那柠檬汁他们要加多少？
用你的配方，
啊，
对，
酸一点没关系，大家受得了，因为他们是年轻人。
好。
对，因加大咸的。
柠檬汁要怎么？
lemonade or lemon juice. Lemonade is diluted lemon juice. Okay.
Lemon
那
syrup,
个 80，
80
等下怎么讲？对吧
80 grams.
80 gram.
Yeah.
好，Yeah。也 OK。
我在那所读大学的时候，不是很有机会跟国际学生交流。我到美国读书才跟国际学生交流所以那个自以为一流的大学哈。OK。
Sugar 也一样是80。好，一样，就加在里面。
Same with the lemon syrup.
好，那我归零喽。
Okay, sugar. 80. Want to do?
Yeah, sure. You make the decision. If you want to eat the jelly sweeter, you can add more.
Okay.
But you don't need to take the responsibility if it is too sweet.
But I don't know the class.
Yeah, it's up to you. You are the operator.